We went to climb Pico De Orizaba.
Yeah, in Mexico. It's around 18k feet,
18,600 feet.
600, so which is like 5,000...
600 meters.
Meters, yeah.
Something like that.
Put the place up. Put my face up.
We met about 1 month ago before the trip, and when we met, Martin just started talking about this awesome trip to Mexico, and he was like, yeah, I'm looking for people to do this.
Yeah, basically, we've known each other for a month.
Yeah.
First day I meet this guy, I was like, I'm planning this trip. I've been planning it for a couple of years now.
Yeah, we knew each other like 20 minutes.
Yeah, and I was like, are you gonna go? And you were like, hell
sure.
Yeah. So for the planning piece, we met with Travis from Austin. He climbed it 3 years ago. He gave us some beta.
So you fly in Thursday, summit Friday.
Yeah, that's intense. But
Dude,
okay,
I
so
don't
this
know,
is
man.
we're gonna custom our plan, but this
You're
is our
gonna
plan.
get really sick. The only thing you have to worry about, man, is just traffic in Mexico City. It's like that organized chaos.
Costa Rica was
You just
intense.
gotta go with the flow. Yeah. This is your dirt road.
Okay, that's the right road.
And it is pretty intuitive, man. So a tough section right here. I think if you're gonna summit, it's gotta start at 2 a.m. Yeah. Yes, I think Sunday is your preferred summit day, but again,
We have 2 summit nights. That's the
check
thing.
out the weather. Yeah,
And maybe if the weather's real bad, we won't summit at all. So
I would prepare for that because you're giving yourself such a small window.
yeah.
And this mountain's got a 50% success rate.
We should pack. Travis gave us a book. And I read the whole, it's Mexico's Volcanoes, the climbing guide, right? It's 125 pages of pure freedom.
Pure freedom.
Chapter 1 background, it kind of talks about the Mexican mountains. Pretty cool.
Right.
So the mountain we're gonna do is the 3rd tallest mountain in North America, tallest in Mexico. So chapter 2 talks about preparations, talks about equipment. We're gonna show them in a quick time lapse what we're gonna pack. Equipment's easy, we got it covered. Maps.
Google Maps.
Google Maps. Even though they say in the book Google Maps is not the best, but I don't think they're right. Transportation, they highly recommend not to rent a car. They talk about rental cars not being able to go to the mountains. I completely disagree with them.
That's why you're gonna rent a car.
We're gonna rent a car and we're gonna rent a 2-wheel drive. Food and water, easy. Health, I think we're
super healthy.
Super healthy.
So, yeah.
Guides and mountaineering clubs. We don't need any guides. Security. So they basically talk about like police, people randomly stopping you, asking for money, or
We don't have any money.
Yeah, we don't have any
Pesos,
money.
right?
Pesos.
Is it pesos?
Yeah, they man peso. Climate, weather, and snow conditions. So it really depends on the weather if we're gonna be successful. Human impact basically talks about not trashing the place. So pack your waste. This is what you call packing.
Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you slapped me in the back.
All right. It's happening. Yeah. Pizza Hut.
There he is.
Will you miss me? You're beautiful today. What? Not cool. Whoa, what the hell?
We have matching t-shirts for our trip.
This guy's serious. Did you wash it or no?
Of course.
You did wash them?
I did it. I watched it.
I love it. Dude, I needed a shirt today and I was like, I don't have a shirt to put on. This will totally be representative.
This is our shirt.
Man, this guy's serious about stuff. I like him. I'm taking him other places. Look at that. Fucking dope. Thanks, bro. What's in? Yeah, look at this.
I made a t-shirt for him a couple days ago.
Maui wowie.
Look at it. I
Good
don't know
stuff.
if
This is basically pinche gringo in Slovak. Kinda.
so the idea of this
is good. No.
We have a hashtag for our Instagram. It hasn't been taken since till today, and everything we post is gonna have this hashtag.
Mexico.
So
All right.
you can track our trip with Mexico.
Let's go. Let's head out. Goodbye, Austin. Should we do a all the way to the airport.
Hey, Aya. What you gonna do here? What you gonna do? What you gonna
The
do?
best weekend of my life.
I can't believe you're going to Pico De Orizaba.
Yeah, it's amazing that we met you here. Yeah.
This is a good sign already.
Hey! How is it impossible, man? Yeah.
Yeah, we're going.
Cool. Yeah.
I took that same path.
Pico De Orizaba. 1, 2, 3.
2, 3. Thanks for letting me go. I love you, babe.
Love you too.
Friend.
Put the place up. Woman face up. Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you stabbed me in the back. Stabbed me in the back. Place up. Woman face up.
Golf cart. Vamos a la playa. Oh, oh. Beep. Poop. Hey, this. We just got our car right there.
We could have chosen a suburban, like super luxury thing, or this one. So much cooler.
Yeah, this is our car. Hopefully, we get the money right because we're having some money issues right now.
Okay, this is the car circulation. You circulated all the days. Policy of insurance. Toll-free number is this.
Serious. Alright. Thank you.
You got our car?
Alright, I think we're good to go.
Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you stabbed me in the back. I ain't going outside in this cold ass winter. Gotta roll up and out. See you from afar, got my thoughts in the sky. Where we used to kiss, sunshine, shit, and why you gotta call me every day, pretend you my baby. I see more real out there lately. It's crazy. Yeah, we could be the same as we claim in this kingdom shit and keep it tame. Come on, baby girl, we're not the same. Two different speeds, but we keep it one lane. Yeah, what goes around comes around. Keep 100, y'all. Do this for my soul like a dawn. Put the stereo on.
Put your hands in the air, we'll be alright. Oh, you keep messing up my mind, but I love your style. You know
Put the place up. Woman face up.
This is the view from our hotel. We're about to walk downtown of Puebla. We're gonna go check out these old churches right there. Roaming the streets of Mexico at night. I gotta turn off the flash. This is our walks. Look, nightly walks through Puebla downtown.
And it's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. Dude, it's pretty cool here.
Yeah, look at the stienas.
Like all the walls, like pink,
Stienas,
green. Look at the street. Those guys were mariachi back there. Yellow wall. There's all kinds of walls, and then there's this guy. Wow, this street's beautiful. Oh, there's a squatter.
Look at this guy right here.
In every place you go, you should do something the locals do, and you should always hang out with the locals and meet the locals. It's the best experience. I don't know how we could have missed this Times Square right there. It's pretty epic. So is this right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you stabbed me in the back. Stabbed me in the back.
Next morning we woke up in Puebla and it said again 2 hours to Tlachichuca, the village Ondrej mentioned that's below the mountain that many climbers choose to stay at. So again, Google said 2 hours, it took 5.
The idea is simple. You fly to Mexico City, you get to a town called Tlachichuca, where you start a trip, you go up to the hut, which is around 14k feet, or like 4,300 meters, and then you just go up the hill. Sounds simple, right?
Yeah.